So today we're going to do a review of the SoFi Credit Card and kind of go over some of the benefits. Now, if you end up loving this card and want to sign up, I will have a link for you in the show notes down below. It does get a nice sign up bonus for you and helps support out the channel so you get more free content just like this. Now, with the SoFi Money, because we already do have an account on file, you can see it says here, applications take minutes, just a few minutes, and may not impact your credit score. Now, something to keep in mind is if you do get approved, that will actually have an impact on your credit score. So it says the first credit card that lets you cash out on crypto. It says redeem points straight into your crypto with your SoFi active investing account. So you do have to have an investing account with SoFi, but you can actually redeem rewards as crypto, which is really cool. It says right over here, it's got your back with cash back. So you can actually earn 2% unlimited cash back, which is amazing. A lot of places do. The max I've ever seen for the most part is almost like 1.5% on everything. This is 2% just across the board for you. Now you can see right over here, it says it pays to pay on time. It says make 12 on-time payments and will lower your APR by 1%, which is really nice. It says obviously right here, goodbye to any annual fees. There are no fees for owning this card, which is great. That way you don't pay any extra fees for just having the credit card. You are just gonna get all the extra benefits for utilizing it. It says there are more perks for where that came from. There are no foreign transaction fees, so you can travel internationally without worrying about fees. Obviously, this is going to be a MasterCard, so it is going to be accepted where MasterCard cards are accepted. This is a cool one right over here. It says phone protection, so you can actually get complimentary cell phone protection insurance covering up to $1,000. So as long as you use the card to purchase the cell phone, you will have automatically $1,000 in protection. Now, of course, there are extra details on those that you can go and read about. And then you can see right over here, identity theft protection. It says protect your personal information by detecting potential fraud. So they'll give you updates on if they see anything that is of note, so that way you can be protected when it comes to utilizing your card. Now, one thing to also keep in mind, you see all the little asterisks and numbers when it comes to everything that they talked about. So if you scroll down just a little bit further, this is on the SoFi apps page. You can see a couple of the different requirements or pieces of information you should know when it comes to a little bit more of the breakdown on the things. One of the biggest ones is the points that you are earning. Depending on how you redeem them, you will actually essentially get less value for them for every point you're redeeming. So certain things will actually qualify for less of a value than if you did them in different ways. So you can see right over here, if you elect to redeem points for cash deposits into your SoFi Money, or you're investing into cryptocurrency into your SoFi Active Invest, you'll get that 2 points. But if you put it towards certain other things, you will actually get them for less and less points, such as actually putting it towards the credit card is worth less points than putting it into your SoFi Money. So just something to keep in mind when it comes through going through and signing up for the SoFi Credit Card. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you go ahead and check out the link in the show notes down below, you can see right over here, they have a $50 bonus for using that link in the show notes down below. It takes about 2 minutes to go through the process and you can get approved right away, and you got those $50 extra to be able to use as you see fit into your account. Now, if you want to keep on learning more and growing when it comes to either using SoFi or other financial tools, check out my video right over here to keep on learning and growing. My name is Dennis, and I want to help you in that next video.